In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make contact forms using GetFormly. First, open your web browser, go to the official GetFormly website, and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Form to begin. Choose the option to start from scratch, then give your form a clear name, like Contact Us Form. After that, the Formly editor will open, and this is where you'll build and customize everything. To start creating the form itself, click the plus button to add your first question. Choose short text, then change the question to "What's your name?" Open the question settings and make this field required so visitors must enter their name before submitting the form. Next, add another question by clicking the plus button again. This time select the email question type and label it "What's your email address?" Make this one required as well. One helpful thing here is that Formly automatically checks whether the response is formatted like a valid email address, which makes your form more reliable. If you want to build your own forms while following along, feel free to check out the affiliate link in the description. Now let's continue with the setup. Add another question and choose phone number. Label it "What's your phone number?" If needed, set the default country code, then decide whether this field should be required or optional based on how you want people to contact you. After that, add a subject or reason for contact using either a drop-down or multiple choice field. A good prompt is, "What can we help you with?" Then add relevant options such as general inquiry, sales, technical support, partnership, and other. If this information is important for sorting responses, make the question required. Now add the main message field, click the plus button again, select long text, and label it "How can we help you?" This gives visitors enough space to explain their request clearly. Next, add a consent question using multiple choice. Use wording such as "I agree to be contacted regarding my inquiry," then add "Yes, I agree" as the response. Make it required if your process needs explicit consent, and adjust the wording to fit your privacy or legal requirements. Once the fields are done, open the design section and choose a suitable theme. Customize the colors, logo, background, and other visual elements, but keep the design simple and professional so the form stays easy to complete. Then add a thank you screen or ending with a message like, "Thanks for contacting us. We'll get back to you soon." After that, open settings and look for email notifications so you can be alerted when someone submits the form. Before publishing, click Preview and test every field. Make sure required questions work, the email field rejects incorrect formatting, and the submission is recorded properly. When everything looks good, click Publish, then copy the live form URL from the Share panel. Be sure to share the published version, not the preview link. Finally, do a quick review of the completed form. Name, email, phone number, reason for contacting, message, consent, the thank you screen, and the submission and notification process. And that's how to create a contact form using GetFormly.